Hello, ladies. Happy Monday. So I know sometimes our skin needs a little extra coverage. And today I want to show you one of my favorite, most valuable products in my product collection, and that is the Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation. If you are here live, please say hi so I know you're here. Hey, Mary Alice. And I hope you all had a nice weekend. So this is a product that I want to share with you because sometimes our skin just needs a little extra coverage. It could be allergies, it could be lack of sleep, it could be skin dullness, it could be skin discoloration, it could just be that you don't feel good and you just want a little extra coverage on your skin. There's all different reasons and there's no right or wrong reason why. But this product is something that I personally love when I want a little extra coverage. I've already applied my makeup, I already have. And what that means is that you can use it as your foundation if you like, by itself after you put your moisturizer on, or you can use it the way I'm going to show you today as additional coverage. I love when there are products that are additional ways to use them. I often use this product over top of my CC cream or over top of my 3D foundation for the reason of additional coverage. I'm 42 years old, almost 43, and it doesn't hurt a girl to have a little extra coverage. My pores look smaller, it helps with shine, and it just makes me feel a little bit more, have a little oomph to my skin. So I'm using the Mineral Powder Foundation brush. You can see it's like a more dense, shorter brush that you use with this powder. I sifted it inside of the jar. I often go ahead and sift it in the actual lid. This is what I usually sift it inside the lid like that and use what's on the lid on my brush. And then I have the perfect amount. Now, let me show you one of the things I love so much about this product, because it is the season that hopefully we get to start traveling a little bit soon. But there is a lock on here. These little things right here lock so that you don't spill the powder when you travel with it or you put it in your purse. So be rest assured, if you travel with this, you won't have a lid full of powder because you can lock it, which is really, really nice. So I already have this side of my face applied with the mineral powder. So I'm going to show you how I do this side. I just have it on the brush like this, and you apply it in a circular, slightly like pressing motion on your skin. I'm kind of just circular and then kind of pushing it into my skin to kind of give me the additional coverage I want. Now, I would be doing it the same way if I were using it as my foundation. This is a great foundation if you don't like liquid. It's a great foundation if you want less coverage by itself, because it's going to give you more of a medium coverage. It's kind of like a little bit more coverage than the CC cream. It's also a really great powder foundation for beginners. So if you haven't been wearing makeup and you want to start wearing it, maybe you don't like the way things feel on your skin, this is a great alternative foundation, because when I say it's foundation, remember, what foundation does is it protects your skin. It protects your skin from the environment and the pollution. So now that my skin has foundation on, all the impurities and the free radicals are not getting into my pores. So that's one of the main reasons why you want to wear a foundation. So if you are a beginner, or if you have a daughter who is a beginner, I love starting them with this because it's easy. They can't really apply too much of it without making their face look crazy. So it's a great product for that. But what I love so much about the Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation is, like you just saw, I applied it over top of my 3D. It smoothed me out. I'll get a little closer to the camera, and it just made me feel like my pores are more smooth. It took down some shine. But here's the thing I love so much about it. One of the things I hear the most from women is they ask me about powder in general. Is it going to age me? Is it going to make me look older? And the answer is no, it's not. Let me show you this powder. So because the Mary Kay's Mineral Powder Foundation is very different than maybe some of the other mineral powders you have tried on the market. There's lots out there, and you probably have tried several or one of the main brands out there before. They are most likely very, very dense, meaning when you put it on your brush, or if it were to fall, it kind of go bloop. So here's the Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation. It's milled more than 5 times, which means it's a very fine process of making it very light and airy. So this is how light it is. You can see how light it is in the air. You don't want to put products on your skin that kind of are heavy and dense. What they do is, if they're heavy and dense, those are the products that age you. Those are the products that sit in your lines and imperfections. So this will not age you. This will not make any kind of lines that you may have on your face look more pronounced, which I love because let's face it, we all are aging and those things happen. So we want to do things that help actually buff them away. And that's exactly what this does. It actually helps soften the lines and imperfections on our skin with makeup. I love, love, love this powder. So another great use for this powder is, let's say you put your makeup on in the morning and you're gonna go have dinner with your friends in the evening, or maybe it's date night and you wanna just touch up your face a little bit. Maybe it's summer and you're hot and you just wanna kind of make yourself look fresher. You're not gonna do that with your liquid foundation because you just won't. You don't really wanna put liquid over top of liquid late in the day over top of your blush, but you can go ahead and apply the mineral powder foundation over top of whatever you have on to give you a fresh finished look that makes you look like your makeup was just applied. So let's say, pretend it's now 6, 7 o'clock at night. I'm going out. I'm gonna go ahead and just do another layer of this all over my skin, touch up my cheek color, and go. And it looks like I just put my makeup on. It looks really, really fresh. So just another tip for you to how to use the mineral powder foundation. There's 12 beautiful shades. I can perfectly match that for you if you are interested in trying this. Or if you have any questions about how this would work for you, just reach out to me or direct message me below and comment below, and I'd be more than happy to help you. But it's one of my favorites. And I hope you have a great Monday. Thanks for watching, ladies.